Hello and welcome to this little video tutorial where I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Roblox. Now before we get started, just the usual pleasantries. If you could like this video, that would be fantastic. If you could subscribe to the channel, that would be even more fantastic. That helps us keep making stuff like this and obviously helps you keep track of it in case there's anything else useful that you might need. Now let's get right into it. First thing you're going to want to do is just make sure you're logged into your account, obviously. And then you're going to want to be on the home page. Now I'm there right now, but in case you are lost, that's roblox.com/home. And anywhere else on the website, if you go up here and click on this little Roblox logo, that will also take you right to the home page. Now, to redeem our code, we're going to go over to the top right up here where there's this little coin symbol. And then when you click on that, it's going to give you a drop-down menu, and the third of those items in that list is redeem Roblox codes, which, hey, that's exactly what we're looking for. So we are going to click on that, take us to this page, and we've got a place to enter our code, and of course just a terms and conditions to accept. So give that a read through. That's just acknowledging that you're 18 years of age or that you're the guardian, the account owner, all that stuff. Now I've got a code that should work. Let's see here. Excellent. Now that did work. In which case we would be done. Now if you're, I'm going to type in something random here. Right, so that says invalid code, which is, yeah, perfect. That's what should happen if it's invalid. And if you typed in one that's already been redeemed, it's just going to come up with some red text that says code already redeemed. But yeah, that is all you need. Hope that was helpful, and see you in the next one.